Welcome. In this video, we'll cover how to ban, remove, or block members from your Facebook group. As a group admin or moderator, managing membership effectively is key to maintaining a safe and engaging community. We'll break down the process step by step, covering the differences between removing, banning, and blocking, and when to use each. Remember to manage bans based on Meta's community standards. To ban a member from your Facebook group, start by navigating to their profile within the group. You can do this by tapping on their name in a post or comment, or finding them in the member list. Once you're in the group, access the member list or their profile directly. This is where group admins manage membership. On the member's profile page, look for the More option, usually represented by 3 dots. Tap it and then select Ban from the menu that appears. This initiates the permanent ban process. Facebook will present you with predefined reasons for the ban. Choose the most appropriate one, such as harassment, spam, or violating group rules. This helps Meta's community standards enforcement. Make sure the reason aligns with your group's rules, which should be clearly stated in your group settings. Optionally, you can add a personal note explaining why the ban is happening. This note will be visible to the banned user, providing transparency about the decision. Finally, confirm the ban. Once confirmed, the member is permanently removed from the group and cannot rejoin. They will receive a notification explaining the ban. Always document the reason with screenshots of the violation. This creates a record for your own reference and can be useful if the ban is appealed or questioned. Meta has introduced AI-assisted moderation tools to help group admins detect and handle violations more efficiently. These tools include automated content filters that scan posts and comments in real time, identifying potential rule violations such as spam, harassment, or inappropriate content. In addition to filters, predictive moderation uses machine learning to analyze user behavior patterns, flagging members who might violate rules based on historical data. This proactive approach helps prevent issues before they become serious problems. Enhanced reporting tools complement these AI features by allowing admins to perform bulk actions. For example, you can select and remove multiple members at once if they all violate the same rule, saving time on large-scale moderation tasks. While these tools streamline the moderation process, it's crucial to always review AI suggestions before implementing them. AI can sometimes produce false positives, incorrectly flagging harmless content. Admins should also stay aware of Meta's global community standards, which evolve to address emerging issues like hate speech and misinformation. Understanding these standards ensures your group's moderation aligns with platform policies. For illustration, here's an example of how AI classification works in content safety systems, similar to those used in Meta's moderation tools. Let's examine real-world examples of when to ban members from Facebook groups. In a large parenting group with over 1 million members, admins banned more than 500 users for hate speech following a viral incident. This action restored community trust and increased engagement by 20%. Another example involves a celebrity-backed fitness group that banned a rival influencer for spamming promotions. Though it initially caused backlash, the group grew by 15% as it attracted more authentic members. A science group banned dozens of members for spreading conspiracy theories and misinformation during a global health crisis simulation. This enforcement of standards improved user retention and demonstrated effective moderation. These real-world cases demonstrate how timely bans can enhance group health, maintain positive communities, and promote safety and authenticity. When banning members from Facebook groups, avoiding common mistakes is crucial for maintaining a fair and compliant community. First, always ensure your actions align with Meta's community standards to prevent your group from being suspended. To align with standards, refer to official guidelines that outline acceptable behavior. This table compares Meta's detailed guidelines across categories like violence and fraud with those of other platforms. Second, document everything with screenshots as evidence of violations. This creates a clear record and protects you if disputes arise. Third, be transparent about why the ban is happening. Clearly state the reasons to avoid accusations of bias or unfair treatment. Fourth, use bans judiciously. Over-reliance can stifle free speech, so reserve them for serious violations rather than minor disagreements. Finally, be aware that banned users can appeal through Meta support. While successful appeals are rare for justified bans, this process ensures fairness. This flowchart shows a general appeal process with stages like filing and review. By following these practices, you can maintain a healthy group environment while minimizing risks and ensuring compliance.